This is one of the most subtle bugs in React, and most developers don't even realize why it happens. You click one item, and suddenly a different one gets checked. Let's say you have a simple to-do list. Each item has its own state, like a checkbox. Everything works fine, until you reorder the list. Behind the scenes, React needs to figure out which old item matches which new item. If you don't use keys, React just matches by position. Index 0 stays index 0. Index 1 stays index 1. Simple, but dangerous. Now watch what happens when we add a new item at the top. Everything shifts down. But React doesn't see new items, it just sees positions. So it ends up pairing the wrong elements together. And this is where things break. The checkbox that belonged to Apple is now attached to date. Why? Because React didn't track identity, it tracked position. So state doesn't follow the item, it follows the slot. That's the bug. Now the fix is actually simple. Give each item a stable identity using a key. Now React doesn't match by position anymore, it matches by identity. So when the list changes, React finds the same item no matter where it moves. Apple stays Apple, and its state stays with it. No weird bugs, no jumping checkboxes. Now let's compare. Without keys, state attaches to the wrong item. With keys, state follows the correct item. Same UI, completely different behavior. This process is called reconciliation. React builds a map of elements and decides what to update, reuse, or recreate. Keys are what tell React, this is the same thing as before. Without them, React is just guessing. So here's the rule. Never use index as a key if your list can change. Always use a stable ID from your data. If this finally made React click for you, this is just one interactive lesson from Runtime Visuals. Instead of just reading docs, you actually see how React works. If you want to understand React deeply, not just use it, check out the full course.